Okay everyone, we are here at exercise 5. I tell you, if you think it's enough for you, you can skip these videos, but I'm going to give you 10 exercises because I want you to be ready and understand every concept about force. And I tell you, if they give you a tool, you need to use it to master it. I want you to master the for tool because it's very useful. Because of that, I'm going to create more 6 exercises about this. In exercise 5, we are going to count vowels. Write a program that counts the number of vowels in a given string. What vowels we have? We have A, E, A, E, O. And what we have? I. Another thing we have anything else or not? aeiouAEIOU. And if I think we don't have any else I forgot them. If I forget anything, tell me in the comments. I will be happy to hear. We have the vowels and we have an input. For example, let's say we have input. Let's call it a string. Our input is equal input. Please, for example, enter your word. Okay, we create it. Now let's run it. It's working great. Now we need to find out the vowels in our word. Let's say our word is LOL for now, and we want to count the number of vowels. How we can do that? We create a for. We say that for x in a string. Okay, it's natural. We are going to see what x in a string are. Let's say if x in vowels, print x. Let's run it. You see it create the O. It's finding the vowels, but we need to count them. For that, we create a count here. We create a count here and make it equal to 0. And every time here we write count dot plus 1. Let's run it. Now we print count. It gave us 1. We copy all the lines and put them together here, and let's put it here. Print count. Now let's run it. For example, LOL, it has 3 O's, 3. Let's make them bigger. For example, OMI. The code is working great, but it's some kind of ugly. We just write a code. Your count is, and then put it here. For example, learning a star 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can also write it here to print x. By doing that, your code is going to print the vowels to learning a star. You see the vowels are being printed here too. Okay everyone, this is the end of this lesson. This exercise is also easy to understand and solve, but don't forget to ask any question you have in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next lesson, that is tomorrow, have a good time.